about to do unsafe things.
Welcome to Bustin' Shit.
Number 30. That's a mounted on the wall. So that's a CD.
Yeah, so I took apart my mom's vacuum, not this one, and there was this in it, and we have these. And then we have this, which it's connected to. And then
it's a blank CD. I don't know.
It's very blank.
It's extra blank.
And so when we spin this, we are hoping that these will kind of go boom.
And we're scared.
So we're going to hide behind light bulbs.
Tree.
So test number 1. Are you going to turn or?
I'll turn. You want to be back mode?
Yeah.
I do.
I'm going to look through here. Except I can't really see.
This is extremely scary.
Yeah. It didn't even explode.
It didn't come off the wall?
No, it just made stuff fall.
What the heck? Did you just vibrate the whole tree house?
Yeah, I broke away. Well, oh, I see what happened. Hold on.
Did the board just start smacking shit?
No, it just came loose and the CD moved and it made it unbalanced.
Oh, it's very unbalanced.
Yeah. Alright. We're Bueno Tacos.
Okay.
Oh no!
What did you do?
It ripped my window.
No!
My poor window.
The thing's off. Wait.
It's obliterated.
There's bits of stuff over here.
But my point is, look, there's none over here, so it would have been fine.
Okay, but still. We're not going to do that.
Okay, so damage. Holy shit! It's outside the window.
We're not gonna have nearly slow enough mow for this.
No.
Yeah, we should definitely stay below that plastic.
Yeah.
Some just came out of here.
Oh yeah, there's some bits and pieces in the thing.
Yeah, because it can definitely go through plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything like embedded in the wood around here?
Yeah, I was kind of looking. I don't think so. Oh no. Oh yeah, there is. Right there.
What? See, that's terrifying. We're just gonna...
Sweet.
There's no proof that I'm a dumbass. I didn't just drop the CD also.
Oh wait, this isn't the right wrench. Where'd my wrench go? Where's the big boy? PCB. Oh.
Yeah, what's left?
Oh fuck. Literally nothing. It's all gone.
Fuck. Don't worry, I'm an intelligent.
That's going in the video.
No, it's not.
He's good.
That's just
It might wobble these off, so I'm gonna take those off. Okay, we're gonna get a close-up. Hopefully it doesn't destroy my phone.
that might.
That one must have been stronger than the rest. Ah, it shredded my window again.
Yeah, that's because it's a plastic window. Yeah, there's bits of the CD right on the door.
Whew! That one must have been stronger, because that one took more for sure. You know, you can hear it. It sounds like a jet engine at some point. That's when you know. That's when you know it's gonna go. Any other damage? Pretty sure. it with your finger to check. That's pretty good. I think we can do that. Did you tighten it a lot? Like not a, you also put the nut on backwards, but
it doesn't matter.
Oh, I see what happened. Turn it off. Is it off?
It's off.
Okay. Try it now. There we go. All right.
Did it disconnect the wire?
Yeah, I pulled the wire out of the switch.
I feel safe. I forgot that I had to turn it off afterwards.
Yeah, it definitely fell. The board.
But is it impaled?
No?
There aren't any even like scratches on it.
No.
What the fuck?
I don't know. I smell burning. Can't tell if the motor's hot or not. Man, there's a CD everywhere.
Turns out they explode.
Yeah.
We're gonna do more or?
I don't know. I'm good with that.
Yeah, I think that's good.
It's enough scary.
What is that? Piece of CD.
Oh.
Here's like a. Here's a middle part.
Just shove those back up there.
Quick.
Wow. That one was tough. I think it's because it had stuff on it. Made it like tougher. Yeah. Oh, it looks like shit. I need a new shower curtain.
What?
To put
in the fucking windows. How you feel those?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice and cool out here.